everyone saw it.
I'm Yuzuriya. My husband Tokusa and I have been married for 2 years now. We live with his parents and his younger brother. But since our house is a 2-story home, our lives are separated. Our fridge, along with meal prep and other house chores, are all separated. Well, at least in theory.
Hey! The custard pudding that I got yesterday! It's gone!
It wasn't me.
It's him again! Damn it! Every time! Hey, Hiragi! It's you again, isn't it?
So, my husband's brother, Hideki, always rummages through our food. Through our fridge.
Hey, it's just pudding. Not a big deal.
It's a huge deal! That was an exclusive pudding from Etra Pastry in Ginza!
Oh, no wonder it was so good. Can you pick it up again next time?
You idiot!
He would mooch our food like this without any remorse. Damn it! The stewed pork is gone too! I've spoken to his parents, but for better or worse, they take a neutral stand on this issue.
Sorry for this, Yuzuriya.
He's 17 and he's growing, so he needs a lot of food. We'll be sure to warn him, alright?
Honey, about Hideki. Can we do something? Our food expenses are piling up because of him.
We might really need to start locking the fridge up.
We were trying to figure out what to do, but one day, an incident occurred. Yes, it rose beautifully.
What a nice smell. Did you bake something?
Yeah, it's my friend Sasuji's kid's birthday tomorrow, so I promised to bake them a homemade cake.
How nice. I'm sure they'll love that.
I'll cover it and decorate it tomorrow. I feel like I'm being watched.
Yuzuriha?
What?
What are you going to do with that cake?
He's definitely trying to go for the cake. I'm going to take it to my friend's kid tomorrow, so you can't touch it, okay?
Okay.
What is he? A wild boar coming down from the mountain to villages looking for food? But I'm sure he heard what I said. However, that night...
The cake!
It's not for you!
Oh, I want it so bad! But if I touch it, Yuzuriha will be furious! But I can't help it!
The next day... No! The cake! It's gone! No way!
Hiragi! Hey, he's not here! He ran away!
The cake was stolen by Hideki, who gave in to his voracious appetite. I ended up having to buy a cake at a store.
Thank you for your purchase.
I'm so sorry, but that's how I lost the handmade cake.
Well, that can't be helped. Thanks for being so considerate.
Yippee! Cake!
The birthday party went on, but... That pig! I'll never forgive him! With each bite of the store-bought cake, my grudge towards him swelled. I'm home.
Hey, Yuzuriha's home.
Here, apologize.
I'm sorry I ate the cake. I couldn't help myself and I ate it all. It looked so delicious. The flavor was great. I prefer it a bit sweeter though.
Hey, it wasn't made for you, you idiot!
Oh, really? I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yuzuriha?
Oh, good. So it wasn't an issue after all.
Hey!
Hideki continued to rummage through our fridge and destroy our food.
Yuzuriha's cooking is great. The seasoning is just how I like it.
Hey, why aren't you getting angry?
It's okay. He's going to get his fingers burned soon. A few days later.
I wonder what this is. Ah, tofu with spicy sauce. Looks amazing. It's delicious. Yuzuriha's cooking is great as always. Huh? Wonder what that was. Something crunchy. Huh? What's this? There's a bunch inside. What could it be? Ah! Huh?
Hiragi! You're going through their fridge again!
What are we going to do with you?
Yuzuriha! What's this all about? There was something that looked like bugs in this dish!
Oh no. So that's where it was?
Huh?
I saw a cockroach in the kitchen this afternoon, but it got away. I've been looking for it, but I didn't think it was in tomorrow's dinner.
Ah!
Revenge complete. I'm sorry if any of you were eating just now. Of course the cockroach wasn't real. I took the tail part of black tiger shrimps and snuck them in the dish. Those black tiger shrimps were so expensive. And of course I notified the parents beforehand.
Isn't that a bit harsh?
Yeah, that's a bit rough.
Okay, then would you be open to covering the cost of the food that Hideki devoured? Estimating conservatively, it's easily over a couple $1,000s in the past 2 years.
Okay, so we're doing it then.
And so this prank was carried out with his parents' consent. And for a while, we didn't tell Hideki that it was a prank. The revenge really worked, since he never took food from our fridge again. Also, it left him with trauma that took away his elephant-like appetite. He ended up losing 85 pounds in just 3 months. Maybe it was a bit too harsh on him?
We should tell him about the prank. I'm sure he'd get very angry though.
So 4 months after the prank, we decided to tell him.
How dare you! Do you know how much that traumatized me? I can never eat tofu with spicy sauce ever again!
Just as I expected, he stopped talking to me for a while, but... Good morning, Hideki.
Why does he look so happy recently?
I wonder why.
According to him, after losing weight, he got himself a girlfriend for the first time.
I'm too traumatized to eat spicy sauce anymore. But I got a girlfriend thanks to you guys, so I guess it evens out in the end.
He's always so extremely optimistic.
I'm so glad to hear that, Hideki. Since then, our troubles disappeared. Oh, by the way, if you ever cheat on me, I'll make something that looks like women's fingers and mix them in our curry.
I beg you, please don't!
ご視聴いただきありがとうございました。外資系の話とか、私には全く縁のない話なので全然わからないですが、こんなに前触れもなく解雇にされてしまうんですね。恐ろしいです。それにしても、高級品かつ自分のお気に入りのブランドになってしまうと、なかなか他のものを使いたくなくなるんでしょうね。